On this NinZaRenko chart, the session begins with a clear downtrend. Price continues to print red bricks and momentum follows the same direction. When a trend is established, price and momentum often move together in a steady rhythm. The waves slope downward as the market maintains consistent pressure. During this phase, the character of the movement is strong and directional. Each minor bounce loses energy quickly and momentum waves continue to press lower. This is how a healthy trend behaves on a higher timeframe. You can see the strength of the move through the alignment between price and momentum. The longer you watch this chart, the more obvious the rhythm becomes. The important point is that this phase is about uniformity. Price moves lower and momentum confirms the strength of that move. There is no signal logic here. You are simply observing how strong legs carry energy and how the momentum waves reflect that pressure across time. After the extended downtrend, the chart transitions into a consolidation phase. Price movement slows and begins to move more sideways. The bricks lose direction and momentum waves flatten. This is normal behavior after a long directional push. Markets pause, energy cools, and the character of price becomes more neutral. Momentum flattening does not signal reversal by itself. It simply shows that the strong pressure behind the earlier trend has relaxed. Consolidation is the market catching its breath before deciding the next direction. The NinZaRenko chart makes this change in personality very easy to see because it filters out smaller fluctuations and highlights the broader tone. After consolidation, the market attempts a short second leg down. This move is brief but it carries clean structure. Price prints a quick sequence of red bricks and momentum dips with it. Even a small directional push shows the same relationship you saw in the larger trend. When price extends lower, momentum responds by pulling down in the same direction. This second leg highlights an important visual concept. Not every extension carries the same strength. The move is shorter, the pressure is weaker, and momentum waves show a smaller drop. These smaller legs often reflect remaining trend energy rather than a full continuation of the earlier move. The character of the market is different from the first major trend phase. The key takeaway is simple. Momentum still follows price, but the degree of movement reveals how much energy remains. Strong legs create deep momentum waves. Smaller legs create shallow waves. Reading that difference helps you understand how the market transitions from trending to fading pressure before a larger structural shift occurs. Later in the session, the market shifts into a reversal. Price begins forming green bricks and momentum waves rise with it. The shift is visible in both layers. Price tilts upward and momentum rebuilds in the same direction. A reversal on a higher timeframe often begins with subtle changes in energy. The waves start to lift, the push becomes more stable, and price movement gains structure. The transition is not sudden. Momentum rebuilds gradually and the bricks begin to align with the new direction. By the time the chart reaches the afternoon session, the change in tone becomes clearer. This phase demonstrates how momentum helps you understand the character of price movement without relying on precision signals. You can see when the market hesitates, when it cools, and when fresh strength begins to develop. Access the complete Structural RSI system and entry methodology at ironflowcapitaltrade.com.